All right, we put some nice smoked sausage on here, and they used all kinds of sausage. Kolbász is what in Hungarian is what sausage is, the way you pronounce it. And we're putting that on top. They loved their sauerkraut. The men in the family, Hungarian men in Hungary, I never knew any that did here, would make sauerkraut in the fall. And what they would do, they would wash their feet very well. And you know how Italians have the tradition of stomping grapes. Well, the Hungarians had the tradition of stomping cabbage. And what they would do, they'd have a big, huge barrel that was dedicated only to the cabbage. And that's what they would fill it with cabbage and salt. And the father of the family would go around and he would stomp the cabbage until it, and sprinkle salt and some herbs on it until it released a lot of juice. And he'd keep going and keep going. And then after he was done with that, sometimes they would put a whole head of cabbage into the barrel.